Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. All right. Yeah, we got about 20 seconds. Let's see if I can, to those of you that were here yesterday, you know that I was talking about taking a call on IWM after we got a sweep of this low. We got the sweep, and now it's up. I'm considering a little see profit, take profit action. So yeah, we just got the market open. I'm gonna see if I can take any profit on that to start the day. Chase, good morning. Oh yeah, we got a little profit on that, up 33%. Let's see, can I get out? Sharonda, good morning. All right, I got filled. All right, let me share that with the family. So I was in at 86, out at 110. Let me share that with the Discord real quick. Lucky J, good morning. Hold up, one second. Where's the channel? Where's the channel? Oh, here we go. Took profit at 1.1 per share. All right, good stuff. Lucky J, good morning. Chase, yeah, you know we gotta get the bread. Skittles, good morning. Azure, good morning. Andy, good morning. Derek, good morning. Ann, good morning. And you know we gotta drop one of these in here for Lucky J. All right. Okay, so IWM still moving, but it's cool. It's cool. Wanted to get a quick win in for the day. We're still on the lookout. Oh, what's going on with? Okay, so Nvidia is coming down to test the support. Let me go down to the. Let me actually go to 15 on everything, or 5. Let me go to 5. All right, so let's see what Nvidia does at this 200 EMA. Honestly, it looks like Nvidia just swept some liquidity, so Nvidia might be good for calls. It's moving a little too fast for me, but yeah, the IWM is moving the way it should. I just took profit on it. Emery, good morning. Ravarenda, good morning. Good morning. How do you think today will go? So we do have some news, some larger news or higher impact news dropping in 28 minutes. Ask me after that, and I'll give you a little bit more of what I think. As of right now, we kind of we sold off. The dollar got a little bit cheaper. It's like a good start to the day, but I gotta keep my eyes peeled. Like things could turn around. Is it Jaquez or Jaquez? I had a friend whose last name was Jaquez growing up, and that's how he spelled his name. So yo, let me know. Hakeem, good morning. Oh yeah, y'all make sure to hit the like button. You say, yeah, same. It can get bearish at any moment. Yeah, so looking at some things. So here, let's go up to maybe the 1 hour. All right, we still got this gap to fill on the SPY. But once we hit that, yeah, we could come down. If we go up to a 4 hour. Dang, it's kind of okay. So actually, yeah, if you look at it on a 4 hour, actually. Oh, the range is kind of ugly on the SPY. I can't really say much. But man, that IWM is going. That would have been a nice hold. Nicole, good morning, good morning. Good morning, Matthew, and all the future millionaires. Hey, to those of you that don't know, he's talking to y'all. I mean, to those of you that aren't already millionaires. But, yeah. Y'all, I saw, just a little side note, I saw Fubo up at like 6 something in the after hours. Oh, let me go ahead and take profit on box L before it ends up going negative. As of right now, I can get about 22% profit on that. Let me or at least put like a trailing stop. No, I'm gonna just take profit. All right. So got some profit on box L. What else did we pick up yesterday? All right, so Nvidia is selling off. It looks like it might we'll see how it holds up at this 200 EMA. Hold on. So this is another one that Brother B put me on yesterday. So I got in about right here. I believe it right. So as of right now, I'm up 34% on it. All right, so here, let's see what's up with here. Let's look at some potential entries for Nvidia, because it came up, made highs. Now it's pulling back. Oh, hold up. XITA is coming back down. I'm about to get stopped out. Yeah, I got stopped out. So I'm out of that. Yeah, we could be on our way down. Looks like AMD and Nvidia is buy the rumor, sell the news right now. All right, let's see. Keon, what's up, family? Good morning. John Collins, good morning. Jean, good morning. All right, let's get back to it and go to a 15-minute on all the charts. All right, how about Palantir? Oh yeah, how are they doing? They kind of sold off yesterday. It's Palantir. Oh yeah, they're still okay. They're in the demands. Okay, they're retesting. I think I like a buy here on Palantir. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, let me clear all this out of the way. Okay, so we're getting a retest on Palantir. This is like almost a perfect time. So we're in a demand zone. There is a trend line right here. If it holds up right here. All right, so we're going to take a chance on Palantir. I'm gonna see if I can. I'm gonna see if Derive has any contracts real quick on Palantir, just really fast. And yeah, let's see. No, I don't think I see anything like recent on Palantir. All right, so I'm gonna try to find something on my own. One thing I will say is, looks like there's some potential liquidity right here, but here, so from here, all right, looking for $100 trade on Palantir. Let's see what we can find. Yeah, this might be money right here. Let's see. Palantir is either about to like fall big, or this is like the perfect entry. Oh yeah, it's already moving. Let's see. I'm gonna look for next week. I'm gonna just grab the best thing I can for next week. Oh dang, it's already moving. Alright, so I grabbed an $80 call on Palantir that expires next week, so on the 17th. And here, let me share that with the family. So everyone just grabbed a $80 call on Palantir that expires January 17th. Paid, what did I pay? 94 for it. Let's see if I can get a screenshot of the setup real quick. Let me clear this out. Also clear that out. Where is... So this one, it may not necessarily work right away for those of you looking at this as a day trade. This could take some time. That's why we got a what is it? That's why we got not this week's expiration, but next week's expiration. Why is this not working? All right, so oh, hold up. How do I go back? There we go. Yeah, y'all give me a second. I'm trying to get this screenshot. All right. There we go. Okay, AMD's breaking out too, it looks like. Let's see how this 5-minute candle plays out. Nvidia is doesn't quite have the same fate as AMD right now, but here, let's go to the 5-minute on Palantir. Get rid of this right here. All right. Okay, let's see. Okay, here we go. Good morning, bro. Happy New Year, and I hope all goes well for you and your family. Hey, you too. You too, Black and Wild. All right, French pronunciation like J, like sh. So jock, so jock like a deep sea. Okay, so Jaquez, Jaquez. Well, I'm gonna have to look that up. All right, I got onto Discord. Had to make a new email. Okay, I'm glad you got it working. Told you yesterday about a put on Palantir. Hey, yeah, that put would have paid. Uh, yeah, Ravinda with the win on the or a potential win on Palantir. Hopefully it continues the trend. But yeah, that was a good spot. You said, bro, it's cold. Yeah, it's cold outside. I had to run on a treadmill this morning. Mass 3DRC, good morning. Do you have a Discord? Yeah, I have a Discord. I would say I'm not like crazy active in it. Here, I can drop the link. There is going to be stuff that you hear me talk about that is kind of more like I'll drop stuff in the Discord. Some of that is like the paid aspect of it, but that will get you into the Discord right there. That's the majority of the Discord's free. All right, so do you have to own 100 shares of Palantir to buy a call? No, you don't have to own 100 shares of anything to buy a call. So what a call is, and it's like just putting it in the basic terms. The call is just giving you the right to buy 100 shares. So you don't even need to have the money to buy 100 shares in your account. It's just buying the right to do it. So should it play out where the call is actually worth something, you can either sell that right to someone else, or you can add money to your account to here, let me close this down. Or you can add money to your account if you want to buy it. Good morning, DoLab. Is Lab a stock or is DoLab a person? Where you post your plays? Oh yeah, I post them in the Discord. I only post the ones that I think can be followed though. Like if I take like a quick day trade, or if I get like some penny stocks or something. A lot of times, like with penny stocks, I'll see those like either in the pre-market or late after hours, and my brain's not functioning, and I'm like, oh, profit, or I'm like, oh, dang, that's bad. I should cut out on that. So I only post the stuff that I think can be followed. That doesn't mean they should be followed, but I know people try to anyway. So I'm not just trying to do everyone dirty. All right, let's see. Dorothy, good morning. Good morning. The Blessed West Beauty, good morning. Hakeem with the laughter in the chat. SGMO. Let's see what's going on with SGMO. All right, so hey, if AMD wants to go crazy and leave Nvidia behind, I'm cool with that. I don't really have that much invested in the. Okay. Is it halted? Yeah, it looks like it's halted. Oh wait, okay, that's an 11% move. But yeah, is SGMO halted? It looks like it is. Farmer stock roundup, and oh, that's from some days ago. What do you think about IWM? So IWM, this is the trade I called out yesterday. It didn't happen while we were on stream, but towards the end of the day, that alert went off, and kind of what happened is I bought a call, and this was kind of the trade plan for IWM. So bought in right here during it was like I want to say around 2:13 yesterday. Bought in right here, and then I think I sold out around like 12.80 today. So I just legit saw profit take profit this morning. So I took like 33% profit, but I would still expect it to come up here as well as like make its way up here. So I still think there's upside to IWM, but I'm not doing anything else with that today. All right, Fubo running this. All right, I'm not gonna watch Palantir too closely. I'm gonna have an alert on this. Like if it falls to 70, hey, it's probably done. I'm gonna have an alert there, but I'm not gonna watch Palantir too close today because I'm just gonna like feel a lot of feelings. But really, this is charted on the 4-hour. So even if we come down here, there is still some liquidity to be swept. And since this is a 4-hour trade, I need to be okay with the possibility that Palantir can come down here and sweep this liquidity. So I want to take the time and see kind of what happens here. So I don't want to pay close attention to Palantir today. Hey, no problem, Nicole. Hey, always here to help the family out. All right, Google breaking. Hey, let's see what's up with Google. Is it Google or Goog? Okay, I see. Okay, here let's look at Goog. I guess I don't really have one charted. Oh, I have Goog charted. All right. Hey, it's going for it. We got a little bit more up here at about 202.75. Set an alert right there. Go down to a 15. Yeah, IWM's going for it. Let's see. I think I see weakness in the SPY. Okay. Hey, if Nunet says that, hey, you know we gotta check the SPY. Nunet is like the master of the SPY. All right, let's go. Let's go. All right, let's start on the. Okay, we can already see the 4-hour time frame is kind of garbage. Okay. As of right now, say this is the range. We got a slow here. We could make another move there. On the 1-hour. So actually, this was something I didn't call out. So I still find myself wanting to do the same thing. So Nunet could be right. There may be weakness on the SPY. Hey, let me know what time frame you saw that on, or where you're getting your analysis, because I want to try to see what you see. Right now, what I'm looking for is I would be looking for a sweep of liquidity. To those of you that didn't watch the morning watch list, I'd be looking for a sweep of liquidity to come take this out. We did gap up here. So maybe we come fill in this gap, and then if we fill in this gap and this is a sweep of liquidity, I would be looking for it to come make new highs. We also have this gap up here that still hasn't been completely filled. So yeah, that would be kind of my ideal for a SPY. Like this gap right here is still just sitting there unfilled. So I could see us coming down, you know, new net making a couple $100, and then I come through. It's like, oh yeah, it's time for Matthew to make some money too, and yo, we get the money. All right, so let's see. Oh, I am in it. Oh, nice move. Yeah, so it kind of you could probably see both. Like it's bullish and bearish, but it's kind of like it needs to go both ways. So it's like, hey, I think you know what you're doing. All right, and I opened my Roth IRA in Robinhood this morning. Oh, congrats. Um, One thing I want to say, if you don't have Robinhood Gold, um, if you're going to be contributing to a Roth IRA and you're doing it in Robinhood, you will get they give you money for depositing money in there. So, for instance, I think I don't know exactly how much, but I think you could see in the video it's like I deposited like 135 or something, and they gave me like another $5 on top of that. So if you think about it like that, Robinhood Gold is $5, and yeah, if you deposit enough, it's paying for it anyway, and you get more money. Okay, 3%, but yeah, it's like yeah, I think I was looking at it. I think if you have Robinhood Gold and you have $1,200 uninvested in your account just chilling there, it kind of pays for itself. All right, MU's taking off. Okay. All right, so I got my alert set on the SPY. Check out MU. Here, let's go down. All right, so let's go to a 5. Got a little bit of movement. I mean, actually, yeah, 6%. That's a good move. Yeah, that is a good move. Yeah, we'll watch that for a little bit. All right. Is it bad to be flagged as a day trader on Robinhood? So, yeah, that's gonna restrict you from doing a lot of things. You won't be able to day trade unless you have 25K in there. So yeah, it's gonna restrict you from things. So yeah, it can be bad to be flagged as a day trader. I'm gonna say there's nothing good about it. Just made 100 from one of the two. Nice. You said check Carvana. Here. Yeah, we can swap AMD out. Okay, so Carvana got a nice big gap up. Okay, fact of the day, Carvana stock increased by 4% to 196 following an upgrade from RBC Capital, which raised its rating from sector perform to outperform and adjusted the price target. Okay. All right, so I'm going to set like I'm not sure if this line already has an alert, but I'm gonna move this up here to that gap fill. Yeah, I'm gonna set an alert right there. See if I can get in on the gap fill, get some time, and then I don't usually like the way Carvana contracts they actually look though. So we'll see if I have the guts to actually get in anything when that happens. I was looking on the 30-minute on TradingView and trying to look back on the 1 hour. Same, I agree. Yeah. So yeah, I think SPY should go both ways, but I'm waiting for it to pull back. Like I'm not going to ride it down. but I see the, like, I have targets for upsides, but I don't necessarily fully have targets for downsides. 3%. My account just broke 2K for the first time. Nice. Hey, congrats, John. Congrats. All right. Nvidia looks very, yeah, Nvidia. So I think what we're seeing with Nvidia and probably AMD is what's going to be referred to as buy the rumor, sell the news. All right. So, Nvidia ran up into their event, and now, like, if you look at from where we broke out yesterday to the top, which was over here at this entry, hey, we hit my target this morning, and we actually came a little above it, and then we sold off. So right now, Nvidia is going to fill inefficiencies, much needed. On the 4 hour, it's pulled back to the 13 EMA, but if we're looking at inefficiencies, Nvidia probably needs to pull back to a little below 140. I'm not sure it'll go there today. Not sure it's going to quite do that today, but maybe it'll take time, because there is this trend line to the downside, and we already kind of broke through. Maybe it'll take its time up here and take some time really getting down. And it's like, if it does, it looks like it can kind of come fill this like by the end of the month. Or oh, hold up, I just got an alert on the Qs. Let's see. I was kind of looking for a similar thing with the Qs that I'm looking for with the SPY. All right, so let's clear that out. So there is a gap to fill on the Qs. Hold up. Oh, dang. I just got an alert on the IWM as well. Oh, okay. So what just happened is we just got our news, like that. Here, real quick. All right, so we just got the ISM services and JOLTS job openings. So yeah, now we're reacting to that. So let's see if this is a sweep of liquidity and a good move for an entry, or if we just kind of die out here. All right, so I'm going to go to the index X's here. So we got Nvidia pulled up. Here, I'm actually going to pull up the SPY over here. Yeah, so wait. Oh, I clicked on. Yeah, so we might. Here, let me clear this out. Go to like a 15. Yeah, so we should be getting this little sweep here soon, possibly filling this gap, and yeah, we might have a good little potential trade on the SPY right here as well. Here, let me pull Palantir back up as well. I want to see how that's okay. So we're kind of back below that trend line a little bit. Need that SPY to sell off. And yeah, we'll kind of wait here. You can do day trading on a cash account. You just have to wait. Yeah. SPY rejecting 20 EMA. Can you please confirm? Well, I think we can say it's confirmed, because yeah, the news kind of came, and yeah, we got that news, and now we're selling off. So I'm going to confirm Moo. Just got in on SPY put and made 191. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. I'm glad it played out like that. All right, we still need to get a sweep here. So it's also possible we don't fill in this gap yet, and maybe we just get a sweep for now, but we'll see. Let's see how Fubo's doing now that I'm thinking about it. Are we going to get another buying opportunity? Okay. Yeah, so today might be a good day to sit on our hands, actually, if this continues. Here, let's go and look at the Dixie, the PSE. Oh yeah, the Dixie is jumped up off of that, so we might sell off today. But it's okay. The only thing we got in today was what was it? Was a Palantir. Took profit on IWM. Here, let's cut out of that for now. Yeah, you say, yeah, Fubo's dropping. Not dropping enough for me, but it's dropping. Like, it's cool. Okay, let's see. My GETY is not doing what I thought it would. Let's take a look at GET. Well, actually, here, yeah, we can look at it up here. Oh, that's a solid move right there. Go back to a 15. SoFi gap fill. Hey, we could have a lot of gap fills here. Let's look at SoFi. So SoFi filled a gap, but there are more gaps to be filled on SoFi. Like, we got all this over here. Like, even like short term, there's a gap to about a fair value gap to like 427. Got another one to about 1211. I want to say there's one down at like 9 or 8 or something. Yeah, like there's one at about 870 as well. So yeah, we got some ways we can fall, but we'll honestly just have to see what happens. Let's see. Spy just read me a new one. Yeah, it's in the process of doing that right now. It is it's coming down. Looks like we're either getting our sweep. Right now I'm leaning more towards there's a good chance we'll come fill this gap right now. Just because I'm also looking at the Dixie, see the Dixie rising, see the VIX rising, the PCE appears to be going higher. So it looks like we may have some more downside coming. Looks like we're coming to visit the downside before we visit the upside. Did anyone buy that Palantir call for next week? I bought it, but beyond that, I don't know. You said thank God I got out of IWM call. Yeah, I hope you were able to get out in profit, but what I think is going on here, I think if we look on the 4-hour chart, I think this is just going to end up being liquidity, but we could end up falling more, so we'll see. All right, so once again, looking at Palantir, super oversold on the 15. What's it looking like on the 4? Yeah, let's let that get oversold some more. Let's I think Palantir might actually come to the $70 area. I might have to see what's up there, but we'll see. Any calls on Uber? Right now, I feel like there shouldn't be calls on anything. Here, let's check out Uber. I feel like I like the idea of picking Uber up either like at the 63.70 level or at about $61 personally. Just just like just made like 80. Hey, good stuff, good stuff. Yes, take my money. Take my money, Mike. You're welcome. It's okay, I got time. I'm chilling. Hey, no problem, Quentin. Nvidia call. So like I said earlier, Nvidia could definitely keep falling. There is nothing necessarily saying it's time to buy a call yet. It's like you could definitely buy a call, but this doesn't seem like the wisest area to buy one for me. Like I would like to see something something look I want to see it at an extreme and not in the middle. And right now it's very much so in the middle. Like the next kind of real area of support that you get on Nvidia isn't even until like 142. I mean, there's a small one right here at 145, but if it doesn't hold up here, yeah, next one's not till like 142, so I wouldn't get in yet. And then, yes, sir, I don't care if it's in negative because it'll run back up shortly. Don't run, you all. Take profit order on Weeble. So far, so good. 20-30% is cool. I used to get caught up holding a play too long. Now, hey, if you got it set up like that, hey, that's good. That's good. Bank of America downgraded Tesla. Cool. Yeah, bring Tesla on down. I'm cool with it. All right, so Tesla is actually, yeah, it's at a level of support right now. Let's see what's the next area it can go. So the next area for Tesla, I guess, looking about like 385. If it falls below here, let's see. Yeah, it might be a sell-off day. Got in puts for QQQ. I'm up right now. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Yeah, honestly, I would love for the market to just sell off right now. Actually, you said Fubo's up 57 on the day. Oh, okay, like 57 cents. I was about to say. I'm like, dang. 57%. Is that your position? Because I got Fubo being up 16% on the day. You said sorry about that. You probably have some of my money. Nah, it's all good. It's all good. Yeah, we just passing money around. Plenty to go around. I agree. I love when the market sells off. I'm not really a bear or a bull, but it's more fun to trade. I like to. So me, it's like I trade, but ultimately I like to invest. So whenever we sell off, I get excited because that's when I really build wealth and can really pick up shares. It's like lately we've been so high on things that I'm like, yo, I don't want to buy anything yet. So yeah, I think this is good, much needed. Honestly, this isn't even that crazy of a sell-off as of right now. Like it could get crazy, but I think if anything, we're getting a favor right now here. Let me actually slide this down here so I know when this gap gets filled. If the market ever does what happened in 2008, I'm going to short this by a lot. I don't remember what happened in 2008. I was in like, I want to say I was in like 5th grade. Because I remember, like Boom Boom Pow by the Black Eyed Peas coming out. I was in like 5th grade and that song was popping. You said you were 8. Dang. Dang, so you're born in 2000. Dang, man, you're young. It's like once you got a 2 handle at the beginning, I'm like, dang, it's crazy. I'm only 3 years away from that, but I'm like, wow. Oh yeah, we moving down. 2008 broke me. Ah, no, it didn't break you. It made you stronger, Skittles. Look at you today. Look at you today. Let's go. You thought it broke you, but it wasn't the end of your story. Oh, you were born in 1999? Solid, solid. Dang, I feel old. I had my first son in 2008. Hopefully I'll have mine in like 2007 or 27. Good afternoon. What's the best way to day trade and avoid the PDT? Get a cash account. Yeah, just like if you change to a cash account, you won't be able to use margin, but you'll be able to day trade every day. 2008 was like yesterday. I mean, honestly, I still remember standing in line in school and stuff. Started investing in 2007 and lost. Hey, I'm glad to hear you're still in and investing though, because a lot of people never touched it again after that. Oh, I was about to say my portfolio was barely down on the day with this Palantir call, but I forgot I took profit on something that opened, so I was like, dang, this contract's holding up really well, but okay. All right, we got the gap fill on the SPY, or we're pretty much filled. Yeah, it's like right there. Let's look at it on the 4. Yeah, we're pretty much filled on the SPY. Okay. Haven't quite filled on the Qs yet. Here, let's see. What puts you guys have? What puts you guys have, my brothers? Honestly, puts anywhere look good. It looked great. I was looking at Tesla, but all right. So I noticed the Dixie is. I mean, it's still up, but it's coming down a little bit. I'm gonna continue to watch that. Can you start with a small cash? Yeah, you can. Cassius, good morning. You said, are we looking at NVIDIA leaps? So when it comes to like leaps for me, I think of things by percentage gains. So me personally, it's like I think Nvidia having a good year, I could see it at like 180. But like as opposed to like AMD, I can see AMD going 100%. So personally, Nvidia, like it's a good investment, but I think there are greater returns out there that can be earned from other companies. So me personally, I'm not leaning too heavily on Nvidia for leaps. But I think now might be a good time to take a look at some what is it? What was I gonna say? Now might be a good time to take a look at Derive and see what they got going. See if they're pulling anything. If the market gonna stay like this for the day, or is it gonna be bullish? And hey, time will tell. Time will tell. It looks like we might be getting a reversal. I'm not sure. Let's go to 15. It's like we did have a lot of volume here. I want to see how this candle closes out. But as of right now, it looks like yeah, we're staying on with this for now. Let me get rid of that one. Go to 15. Let's see. Any data on GM to buy a call now? The only thing I say with GM is honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if they come down and close this gap. But on the 1 hour, I see some liquidity right here, so I would want to see GM come below this first. But if they come below this, they could also end up coming to fill this gap as well. Looking in the, what's that, GitLab? Let's see. Okay. Looking at GitLab long term. Here, let me add it to the list so I can maybe do some research on that later. Run it through Derive. Can anyone recommend a good platform to paper trade? I like the watch list feature on Robinhood, but that's not like full on paper trading. I know Moomoo has paper trading, but I've never really, like, I don't actually use the feature. So me personally, I can just say, what is it? I can just say the watch list tool on Robinhood. Be patient. Pocket option? Okay. Pocket option, maybe. Hey, y'all, be sure to hit the like button. Hey, we got 121 people on here. We got 37 likes. So that just lets me know there is quite a few people that are unaware that there is a little icon down below if you look at the video on here. Oh dang. Okay, that's a solid jump right there. We jumped up from like 38 to 47. Okay. But yeah, to those of you that aren't aware, there is a little icon just below the video here. Scroll down, look at it. It looks like a little thumbs up. You hover your mouse icon over if you're on a computer. If you're on your phone, you just give it a touch with your finger or your nose, whatever you want to do, and it'll change, and the score will go higher, and maybe it'll send the market back up as well. All right, so here, let me look at the SPY on 5. All right, so that we got the gap fill on the SPY. That could possibly be the bottom right there. I'm riding in the Palantir, so I'm not taking any more trades today, but that could possibly be the bottom right there. Because we were very oversold right there, and we'll see what happens though. But yeah, it's like that 592 is going to be support for now. All right, let's see. Nothing stopping here. Let's go back to MU. It's still going. Oh, it's kind of chilled a little bit. So say resistance. It's going to be like a little above the 105 level. My portfolio is squealing in pain. It's hard to watch. Don't watch it too closely. Set your downsides, but yeah, don't watch it too closely. MU caller put. Both. Hey, it goes both ways. I like paper trading on Thinkorswim. Quentin, I want to say I don't like Thinkorswim anymore. They like it's like a known thing now that I wouldn't say the company itself does it, but it's known that the employees were like selling the user's account information, like passwords and address, all that information, not just to people looking for your email, but like actually like selling information like social security, all that stuff to like people on the black web. So TD Ameritrade, Thinkorswim, all their products. That's actually who I had my Roth IRA with before, and it's like once I found that out, like I want to say it was like maybe it was like a couple months that it came out that their employees were doing that. Yeah, I closed all that out, but I think it might still be all right for paper trading if you don't have, like, if they don't ask for any of that. SPY turning around on the 2 minute. Yeah, SPY appears to be turning around. It's 592. It looks like we could be headed back up now. Like it looks like we may have found our temporary bottom on the day, but it could also be just a pullback. So this is actually where trend lines kind of come into play. So yeah, let's draw some trend lines. So you can kind of see here. That's kind of how I would draw it on the SPY so far today. Maybe slide that down just a little bit. So yeah, that's how I draw it on the SPY. Q's is a little steeper. Not sure how I feel about it. But yeah, we'll have that there for now. Let's turn Micron. Let's see how. Yeah, Nvidia is still going. It's not done. Yeah, we didn't get that gap fill on the Qs yet, but we got it on the SPY. The only thing green on my portfolio today is Fubo. Let's see. Let me check out Fubo. See how we doing real quick. All right, let me check out. Yeah, I got Fubo. Hey, y'all, don't sleep on Estee Lauder. This is one that Chase said he was investing in long term, PSNY, and that's it. Yeah, that is it. Everything else is very red. All right, still pulling back. Yeah, we're very much confused right now. Honestly, I think we might be able. I think we might be able to get like a some kind of relief call on Nvidia. There's some support at this. What level is this? Appears to be some support. Maybe like 143, 142. Let's go up to a 1 hour. When you look at the 1 hour chart, it's like, oh yeah, not yet. Yeah, maybe I'll go to the 1 hour chart. See how we're looking on the SPY. Yeah, I'm gonna slow things down today. We'll watch the 1 hour. Because I'm not trying to get whopped today. Yeah, watching don't make you run. Thinker Swim is cheeks now, TD. Bank had multiple scandals. Fruit them, Matthew, for real. First day back in the office and I'm late, but hey, honestly it's a good day to be late. Great day to be late, Amaya. Cassie is blood in the water, is looking 2 weeks out in video calls. I could be there with you on the calls. I need to wait for it to stop moving before I do anything. Yesterday, like similar to how I got in those IWM calls yesterday. Honestly, it could end up being like the last hour of the day. All right, so QQQ just closed that gap it had this morning. So I don't know what this level is over here. Maybe that was a previous support or something. But QQQ just closed the gap it had. I took a screenshot of my portfolio so that I can track how I would have done if I'm nice. King Mano, good morning. EL, oh yeah. Estee Lauder, yeah, I got that. Horizon. So is the market flocking, or is there like a rotation to safety right now? Or not safety, but are we trying to rotate to dividend plays? Yeah, but I'm up on Estee Lauder. I bought some yesterday. Yeah, it's having a good day. Hold up. Okay, fact of the day. Oh, wait, hold up. So here, let's see. Piper Sandler has maintained its overweight rating on Estee Lauder and raised its price target for its shares from 89 to 91. Yeah, my price target's a lot higher than both of those, but okay, Nvidia's back at 142. Okay, so that's next level of support. Here, let me go up to a 4 hour real quick. Wrong chart. Let's go up to a 4 hour on Nvidia. Yeah, if we can catch Nvidia at 139. But this is also a potentially good level for Nvidia. It's the next level of support. Let's go back to a 1 hour, 30 minute. Yeah, we're oversold on a 30. Looks like we're about to cross down, but we'll have to see. My only green is Frey. They do batteries. Be a good pickup back here. Eyes on SVMH. All right, eyes are on. All right, I'm about to pull up. We're about to take a look at what's it? We're about to look at derive. Okay, let's see. Should I cut Palantir? That's gonna be your call. I don't know if you're talking about the one I got in. I'm still gonna hold it, and I said why I'm going to hold it. But no, I'm still holding mine because I'm of the understanding that this could be liquidity. We could be sweeping liquidity over here. But we'll have to see. But I'm not watching Palantir too closely today, just because this is something that's supposed to take more time. Jaden, good morning. Was the news they dropped that bad? No, I don't think so. I think the news was actually positive. I think it just affected the value of the dollar. But actually, the value of the dollar kind of ran up, but it's like pulling back now. So we could end up coming back up. We'll see. It's like sometimes we run too much and we need to, we just need to pull back. All right, so let's see. Oh dang, had I taken these trades this morning, I would have made some money, but I'm not really seeing. The last optimization was, or the last screened one was from like 56 minutes ago. All right, let's see. Yes, I got some when you mentioned it. Oh, my only greens: Google, Qualcomm, Uber. Let's check out Qualcomm. Oh yeah, it's up 1.5%. Hold up, I'm curious to see how AMD's doing today. Oh, it's not doing too bad. Yeah, I'm hearing all these. Oh, hold on 1 second. Gotta search for something. Okay, I'm hearing like so much Discord messages, but for some reason I don't normally hear that, so I don't know why I'm hearing it right now. It's like my Discord is going off. All right, Matthew, I just watched your video on. Awesome. Hey, glad you like it, because when I found out about that, it was definitely helpful to me. Okay, so hold on. The Qs is headed into is this a weekly demand? No. Is this demand? Yeah, it is weekly demand. I mean, it doesn't look the strongest. Okay, we're still falling down. This is why, why we don't rush. All right. Let me go back to the 1 hour on everything. Palantir may be done with their blast off, but they are. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see about that. We will see. Good time to buy calls. Ideally, if I'm going to buy a call and we're still moving down, I would need it to be in like a 4-hour demand zone or something like that. So I'm not buying any at the moment, but it could be. Mass 3DRC said in SPY. No, you didn't. Just wait. Dang, everything's going right now. Scared money, don't. Hey, for real. I should have waited until 139 support to buy. That's kind of what I'm waiting for. I'm looking at 139 because we do have some inefficiencies. Actually, I'm not even 100% sure I'm going to get in at 139 though. But I need to, I kind of want to see where the momentum slows. Should have waited, bought it. Okay. SPY 901. 901. I don't think I've ever seen the SPY at 901. So it's kind of complicated to an extent on where to find it. Like, you need to know how to find the range. But I can see on the 4-hour chart, the demand zone for NVIDIA is going to be right here. So yeah. Yeah, about that set an alert at about 138.86. That's going to be the demand zone for NVIDIA. So that would be a good level to buy. Here, let's see. Looking at SPY, the demand zone on the SPY would be, wait, I guess they're technically, well, no, yeah, was there, wait, okay. So demand zone on the SPY would be actually right here, 4-hour demand. So if it pulls back to this, I guess like 589 on the Qs, 4-hour demand would be, it's pretty much like once you have the range like all sided out, it's going to be the last bearish candle before the range up. But it's also like, if you don't fully know how to get the range, then you're going to be finding the wrong thing. All right, let's get to 100 likes. Hit that like button. Oh yeah, we can definitely do that. 120 people. Yeah, let's make it happen. All right, I mean, there's so much good news for NVIDIA. This is a crazy dip, even though it's oversold yesterday. SPY 590. Oh, okay, I got you. So I got the here. Let's clear that out. But I got eh, the demand zone is going to be about here. I'm gonna clear out my EMAs. They're not as relevant right now. But yeah, the demand zone on SPY is going to be. Oh wait, that's QQQ. The demand zone on SPY is going to be about 589, and then the Q is going to start at about 519. But also beware, there's a bottom end to it as well. So up the stairs, down the elevator. Exactly what is going out. All right, SMVH is making the move. Oh, hold up. Oh yeah, it's making a move. Hey, good stuff. All right, let's go down to a lower. Yes, it's making a move. Over 0.75, and it should go. And that might be money. You said what is it that tells you that it's the... So the demand zone is pretty much going to be the last bearish candle that so when it comes to it, like, you gotta understand market structure, but the demand zone is created by the last bearish candle that creates the next structure break. That would be exactly how to find it, but it's a little bit complicated to teach all at once, even on just a live stream like this. It's like it's something that you kind of need to like rework and go over. So you can kind of say, oh hey, there's a large move up, let me find the last bearish candle, and that'll work a good amount of times. But it won't always work because it's not always a demand zone. But I would say, even just saying, oh dang, there's a solid move up, let me find the last bearish candle before it, that'll probably take you far as well. 50% like to watch ratio. Let's go. Hey, yeah, that's nice. All right, so let me look at my options watch list and see if there's anything like on sale options wise. What's it? We started this week out. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm getting your movement, brother B. Did you get any trades today? So I on Palantir there was a nice entry, so I grabbed like a swing trade on Palantir, but no, I took profit on a trade on took profit on IWM this morning, and then got into a swing on Palantir, and then beyond that, nothing else. Right now I'm trying to wait and see if there's anything else that kind of pops up. Oh, sorry, y'all. Still looking at like these different options I added on my watch list. Some little skips of time. Easy 25%. Yeah, if I had if that account was above 25K, I would be be taking more of these penny stock trades, but it's not there yet. All right, so looking at the PCE, yeah, AI's kind of sold off a little bit. Let's take a look at that. All right, so AI at 35. I like. Yeah, Palantir looks like it could end up being liquidity though. Woke up this morning when market opened at 6:30 and fell asleep. Missed out on. It'd be like that sometimes. I haven't taken any puts. Go back to a 15. See kind of how we hold up with this see how we hold up with NVIDIA. Come back to watch the SPY. Yeah, Palantir looks like it's going to be fine to me. Yeah, so I'm looking at NVIDIA right now. Kind of trying to see. I'm trying to see if this area holds up as resistance, or if it's just kind of like or if it's reversing. Because right now it could be either. So it's like right now I'm really trying to wait for confirmation. I put in for January 17th. NVIDIA 142. Oh, okay. You buy the 142, sell to 144 and 147 call strategy. So yeah, it's like that can be kind of complicated a little bit. It's like you have to have someone out there that's willing to excel or sell that exact kind of spread to you. And if there's no one willing to sell that exact spread to you, or if there's no one kind of doing that for that combination, then it's like you're not going to get filled. So sometimes you have to, like, if you really want it, you'll either have to pay more or you just won't get filled. But also sometimes if you pay more, then it's like not even worth it. Welcome, Cassius. After the news on AMD new gaming chip, why would the dip? I'd think that would be. So it probably is good news for investors, but Uh, a big thing in the market is buy the rumor and sell the news. There's already been the rumor of good news, and they kind of ran into that along with Nvidia. But now that we kind of got like what the actual news was, it's like, okay, we can sell and take profits now because we know what's going on. You said crypto's selling off. Here, let's see what kind of selling off is. Here, I might temporarily take profit on my Mara then. Up a little bit on it. Get back in a little bit later. Let's see, where's Mara? Nothing major, but took about 10% on it. And have a little more cash on hand. All right. Yeah, still kind of waiting to see how things are going to turn out. Yeah, so as of right now, it's like this candle is bullish on the 15-minute, but we're not getting above any levels right now, so we could still sell off some more. Looking at January 2024 calls, how would you know if the rumor is worthy of a call or put? Honestly, just looking at the trend. Like, what is the market doing? Often you'll see, oh, it's kind of moving. Why is it moving? And then you'll see. But outside of like what the trend's doing, it's like, is this going to help the value of the company or is it going to hurt the value of the company? Usually things that would be negative is like, oh, this company is dealing with a lawsuit, or oh, this is bad publicity. Things like this that make people, maybe will hurt sales or hurt users or anything like that. That's usually stuff that might kind of send the price down. Green candle on Palantir. Once again, I'm not trying to watch Palantir too closely today, just because I'm not I don't intend on taking profit on Palantir today. So it's like if you see profit on Palantir and you're ready to take it, for sure. But I'm personally like not trying to watch Palantir too closely, just because of the fact that I'm watching for a larger move. But it's looking like right here we could end up this might be it. I'll this next candle I'll probably get some clarity, but right now it's looking like we might close above on the 15-minute. So if we close above and then we open above, I might be comfortable looking at some upside. Here, I also might want to look at Tesla. See if Tesla can actually get above this. If Tesla can get above this 400 level, yeah, I might be willing to try to go for a little upside. Need to wait for moments like this. I keep catching falling knives or higher support levels. I've been getting lucky. It happens like that. Hey, sometimes these stocks make a good enough move. Yeah, but let's see. Actually, I could go for something on Nvidia too. Okay. All right. So Nvidia is looking all right. SPY is here. Let's see if we can move that a little bit. Let's see what it will look like on the 10. Fubo is pumping. Look for that. Oh yeah, Fubo looking good. Oh, you're looking for the, like when you say, did you mean out or put? Just out of curiosity. You know, it's like the O and the P are side by side and they're right there. Yeah, SPY is heating up. So on the like 15, 5 or 10 minute, it's approaching the trend line. So we'll kind of see. Because it did kind of leave a gap right here to fill on the lower time frame. Taking profits. Okay. Looking for the out. All right, yeah, it's looking like we're still coming down. Is kind of how things are looking. Yeah, Nvidia is definitely not on its way up yet. Got it for the whole week, although markets closed. I thought it was on Thursday. I think it's Thursday that the markets closed. Let's see. It's on the 9th, I believe. So yeah. Yeah, Thursday the markets closed. Fubo is pumping up. Oh wait, hold on. Okay, I saw it. Love watching your videos. Just started. Fabrice. Hey, love to hear it. Hey, hopefully they're helpful. Hey, also while you're here, yo, what is going on Discord? Like, where are all these? I don't see the notifications, but I hear like a billion notifications. I don't know where they're coming from. It was like I'm hearing them. I'm even on the Discord. I don't know where it's coming from. It's kind of wild. Okay. Well, either way. Nvidia calls. I'm still waiting on Nvidia because as of right now, it looks like it still might have some little downside action going. It's like Nvidia calls could be a move, but once again, I would want to buy from support. Just know that being patient in the market is usually going to be a lot better than like if you wait for trades in the market, if you wait for the stock to come to your level, you're going to make a lot more money in the market than if you kind of rush and say, oh, I have this money here and I'm going to get over there. Like it's only when you can like sit there, have the money right there in front of you and stare at it and kind of build that discipline and not touch it or you know not go spend it, then that's kind of when you're going to be able to have the discipline to use the money correctly. Like if you feel the need to like throw your money in something right away, that's kind of going to, I mean, you'll end up giving it all away. Somebody's going to take it from you. You're going to get kind of sent into some bad deals. Still cut out one day for big bad theta. Got out of Getty for about a $50 loss. Downloaded Robinhood. I just don't know how much money I should put in, if that makes sense. Put in an amount that you would not be willing to lose, is what I would say. Amen. Market psychology, the hardest thing to learn. Hey, some people it just comes naturally, and then others, like if you're like me, yo, it's gonna take you some time. It's gonna take you it's gonna take a lot of losses, and yeah. So like it's like I see the market going down. I see all the potential profits, but I also see that it's moved a great amount, so I'm not going to chase it. And yeah, we just gotta let it move. And it's like, okay, it's going down, but I'm there. I'm there to catch it whenever it's ready to like bounce and go the other way. So you make the money both ways. Sometimes you gotta breathe and catch your breath, which is what I'm doing right now. And then other times, hey, it's time to go. It's time to run it up. So yeah, you definitely don't have to start with a lot. Got to keep your emotions in check. 100%. Exactly. Facts. Thanks for letting them know. Stop running. Oh yeah, 100%. Like, don't be like me. Like I would imagine that you are here to accelerate your learning curve and learn things faster than I did. So yeah, there's no need for you to go down the same roads I did and kind of lose the same way. When it comes to dividend stocks, should I do cash secured? I feel like I said that weird. Should I do a cash secured put before or after the dividend payout? So I never really think about that. Me personally, okay, so thing is, hold on. So the value of the contract, I don't really know. It's not anything that I actually do, because it's like whenever you get paid out a dividend, the stock price loses how much that the dividend is paid. But it's like if you have a 150 put and the stock price decreases by $1, I don't know what that does to the option. Because usually everything is factored in, and honestly I do not know. Yeah, I can't say. I would say like test it out, but I don't know. I usually just go like, if something pulls back to a major level, or if I'm going to sell a put to buy something, I will usually sell the puts at some sort of extreme. So if I don't want to buy it, but I think it's gonna, yeah, usually I'll sell a put whenever the price is like really low, and I might sell in the money or whatever. I'll sell whenever it's at like an extreme low, and I'm like, yo, it's going higher, but I'd be cool with owning the shares. So it really just kind of depends on you, honestly. Here, let me go to 10-minute on NVIDIA. We actually, okay, we're putting in a lower high. Okay, let's see what Tesla's doing. All right, let's see. Good advice. Appreciate that. Appreciate I put 50 in just to be practicing and learning. Fabrice also, here, I'm not sure if you saw the video about the watch list tool. Let's see. Where is it? All right. I would also say, yo, check that video out. I just dropped it in the description. Hey, check that out if you're like before like playing with it. That way you know the way options contracts move and whatnot. All right, so I'm looking at Tesla here, and we're either at a good place to grab a short or a good place to grab a call. Let's turn the EMAs back on. Yeah, because if it's going to go down, this is a good place to grab a short. So yeah, let's watch Tesla, see how it kind of holds up here. 15 more likes. Let's go. Oh, yeah. I see 117 people. 85 likes. Hey, the math ain't mathing. You know, they call me Matthew. I know a thing or two about math. All right, let's say study which way you're trying to go and focus on that. Stop jumping on everything you know. Nothing about too many people running to one place can change what you saw very fast. Hey, very true. Very true. Just bought a 425 call and a 375 put. Hey, okay. Good little straddle game. See y'all. See you outdoor people. That's one way to play it. Hopefully, like, we get a good move. To the upside, I'd be looking at this, I guess, 414 level. Let's look at it on a lower time frame. Yeah, it's kind of hugging. All right, so yeah, I would say if it loses this 2 minute, yeah, it could go again. Let's see. I was looking at Tesla on the 15-minute, same conundrum. Yeah, it looks like we're coming down. That's my assumption, but you know, you never know. Here, let's see. Personally, I'd set it so that expiration would be set before the dividend payout. That way, it's a win-win. You can get paid the dividend after assignment. I think Philip's on to something. Hey, that's why we have more minds than just mine. It's like y'all are brilliant. I think y'all know what's up. All right, so we got the SPY coming down. We got NVIDIA coming down. The Q's moving down a little bit. Let's see. All right, let's see. Oh, all right, big crew. Good morning. Hey, no, all good. Hey, rest is good. Rest is good. I don't know if you're resting, but yeah, it's all good. Bro, you are killing the daytime streaming charting niche. Appreciate you, Darren. Appreciate that. Never really thought of myself as a daytime streaming charter, but I guess that's what I am. Lucky J. Good call, Mr. Broom. Hey, you know how Philip does. Tesla does not want to follow any rules. Hey, 100%. Yeah, it's like NVIDIA said, I'm going down. SPY said, I'm going down. The Q said, I'm going down. All right, Q's might be trying to... We'll see. But yeah, Tesla said, I'm gonna wait a little bit. I might want to go up. So yeah, we'll have to see what Tesla. Just made 100 more on. Nice. Where's Fubo at? Okay. Hey, I'm glad to hear you're eating off that. That's lovely. I have been doing really well this year with deep in the money credit spreads from 2 to 9 months out. Okay. Hey, that's something to consider right there. Is anyone in CGTX? No, let's see what's this. No, not at the moment. What's going on with CGTX? Cognition Therapeutics. Okay, let's see. What do you think about trading leverage ETFs? I think there are moments in time where those it's better to buy shares on those than actually trading like options and whatnot. I think they're a useful tool. Sometimes it can be kind of tricky, but sometimes getting options on those could pay as well. I still ain't in nothing. I'm waiting for a hey. Way to flex the discipline, Darren. Way to flex the discipline. I'm interested to see what happens with Tesla. Let's see. Tesla does what it want. Hey, maybe. So we got Euro close in about 13 minutes. Let's see what the Europeans want to do to the market. I sold a bit early, but it's all good. Hey, same here. I had like 500 shares yesterday, and I sold out at 350 of them. Now I'm looking at it today. I'm like, yo, should have held another day. And the difference in profit is that I would have would be is kind of crazy, honestly. Just made 700 a day off in vid or nice. Hey, good stuff. Do you have shares or options on NVDQ? Come on, Euros, bring back Nvidia. Well, hopefully we get a quick move down here to kind of close this inefficiency, and then they can bring it back. That way they can actually make the move make sense. Thinking of getting a call on Fubo. So honestly at this point on Fubo, I have a hard time like suggesting any calls on anything or on it. It's like I would say wait for a pullback, but it's like you can only go so high with it because there's only so many. Who you think can trade in? Because you make money, but you have their stability of shares. You don't get option-like returns. Yeah. I got you. You said he's him. In the money on Fubo. Nice. Yeah. Fubo was bought by Disney yesterday, and that's what made that happen. Disney now owns 70% of the Fubo shares. Okay, nice. That's wild. Just bought a 133 put on Nvidia for February 21st. Got in at $5 Fubo TV. Yeah, that's a good little spot to get in. Had to get out the Skittles tonight. My go-to red day treat. Oh, I think there's one color missing. There's red, orange, green, yellow. Okay, I think it's the purple. Is there a purple heart on here? Let's see. Oh yeah. Let me add the last Skittle in there. There you go. Then Balmore at 265. Bro, if Nvidia rebound, I'm eating Skittles with you. Darren, thanks. Let me know which Call strikey pick. Was able to get Fubo at 350. I do my research, caught Fubo TV before. I got Fubo at like 140. Or no, my average was like 153, but I bought Fubo as low as like 130. I bought that knowing the possibility, and honestly, it's like I still might buy more in the future, but I see it coming down before, like coming down and chilling out before it really ever gets to my target. All right, let's see what Tesla looks like. It's trying to move down a little bit. But this is on a 2-minute. See how the SPY is looking. Oh, that is the, hold up. See how the Q is looking. All right, someone said one more like. Oh, one more like, please. Oh, we got it. We got it. Nice. Appreciate y'all. We hit the 100. All right, Tesla's breaking down a little bit. Oh no, not officially. Tesla's teasing a little bit. Oh, hold on. I think UPS is here again. 1 second. Y'all, I almost just busted my butt, but it's all good. It's all good. I guess my socks are, I don't know, I'm wearing some different socks. And these socks are very slippery on hardwood. My bedroom is carpet. I'm streaming from my bedroom. I ran from the carpet to the hardwood just outside my room, and I was not ready. Luckily, I'm very well balanced. But yeah, it's all good. Okay. So you said I roll, I don't completely jump out. Matthew must have an online side hustle with all these. Oh yeah. I mean, it's not normally UPS, but no, yeah, I do some stuff with Amazon, so yeah, that's what's going on there. Yeah, definitely got to get the side hustles going though, because yeah, we can't just rely on one source of income. I'm curious, chat, how many of y'all just have one job, like realistically? Because I feel like, oh, Nvidia's going, okay. Okay, it looks like we're kind of buying up now. It might be a fake out, but we'll see. Yeah, but like, serious question, how many of y'all have one job, and how many, if you have more than one job, how many jobs do you have, or how many sources of income do you have? Because just kind of looking at things today, Yo, I don't even know anybody who just has one source of income and is getting by. It's like things are like way different from how they were when I was growing up. Hey man, you said when's the fam merch coming out? I don't know. Merch has not really been anything I've really thought about. I've had people reach out to me about doing merch before, but I was like, I don't even know what would actually be worth anything. So I don't know. Your support still at 139, or you think bounce back right now? It's possible we could bounce back now. Um, Here, we'll have to, we go to a 15-minute, take a look. We're still consolidating right now. We're still consolidating. Here, let's turn on. Here, let's. Yeah, we'll kind of have to see. Yeah, as of right now, I see us just still consolidating at the moment. Wouldn't rush in. Could be like a little fake out, trying to cool the RSI because we're still like oversold. But yeah, we'll see. All right, let's see. I played college football and cut hair, so you got two. All right, so oh, that's cool. When I was in college, one thing I did for income is I had Amazon Prime. If you're a student, I think Amazon Prime is actually half the price as well. And like, I don't know, I guess I discovered an inefficiency on eBay. It's like I drop ship. You know, a lot of people drop ship. They drop ship from like China or something. I drop ship using Amazon. So it's like, I don't know. There were like these. I think I was specifically. I saw people like kind of buying these action figures on eBay. I was like, oh yeah, let's see those. And I would just take the image and then search it on Amazon, and it's like people would pay more for the fast shipping. And you know, I had Amazon Prime, so there was like, oh yeah, let me just order this, type in their address, and it was like cheaper on Amazon anyway with the 2 day shipping. So it's like because I had that shipping, everyone was buying mine, and yeah, that was kind of the move. I was making money like that in college. All right, so let's see. Full-time job in AV production company. I've been working on side hustles, trying to replace my full-time job income to work for myself. Definitely more than one source of income here. Full-time day trading for a little over a year, raising 4 kids. Wife doesn't. Oh, sound like you doing it right, outdoor people. I mean, it sounds like all y'all are doing it right, honestly. Truck driver on the weekends, work at 9 to 5, and in the market, I sell and make candles and car diffusers. Nice. In Vietnam, everyone has a job or two, and then 5 side hustles. No choice here, sink or swim. I see you did good on that NVIDIA call. Oh yeah, that other one from yesterday. Yeah, that one played out exactly. I didn't actually take that call, but that was when I like said like that's when I charted for the family. So yeah, it played out. Nvidia just needs to pass this 143. Yeah, we'll see if it does. Okay, so we got Euro close right here. We'll see which way it goes. I'm actually led to believe that Tesla is about to come down. I'm not sure if we actually got a sweep of liquidity. Let's see. Yeah, we'll kind of just have to see. Okay. Do you have so I'm at an apartment complex, so I don't think I would get delivery drones here. I haven't seen any personally. I woke up late as if what you missed a lot of falling in the market. Whole lot of selling. All right, do want to acknowledge that the SPY is kind of like right here on the trend line. So let's see if we go up or go down. It looks like we're kind of bouncing to the downside, but we'll see. Tesla's selling off a little bit more here. Let's see if they break this kind of level right here. If they do, there's probably going to be some money to the downside. Here, let's see. I am also an herbalist and about to launch. Hey, look at us go. Got some entrepreneurs in the family. This is the kind of stuff I like to talk about. I need to learn that drop shipping. So when it comes to like actual drop shipping, the like bigger drop shipping everyone does, I tried that too. That's like more work. But like I made it like real simple on eBay. I just like I took people's listings, like it's like people would have something listed. I just grabbed the pictures and I was like, okay, let me see if I can find it on Amazon. Found it on Amazon and I just did it with 2-day shipping. And it wasn't like massive money I was making for each item sold. It was maybe like like $15 here or there for each item. But it's like that was I was rich in college because of that. Smart, not gonna lie. 4 to 5 for now. Honestly, I might be in that boat. I'm not even sure. I do a lot of things. That's why I don't even like. I would like to put out more content, but I don't even put out as much content I would like. If I could like, if there was some way for me to instantly like, it's like, yo, let me full on throw a video out about this like right away, and like not have to edit it or not have to, go through. I'd probably be good with just the YouTube, but it is what it is. Postal worker, and rest of the time I'm in the market. Hey, nice. I'm retired, but I do English tutoring, guided tours, car and moto taxi. Oh yeah, you do a lot. Got a lot going on. 4 to 5 sources of income to stay alive, working to the day-to-day just to have one. All right, let's see. I've been hacked and schemed on a Robinhood app. My charts never update correctly. I need your help and want to trade live to avoid fraud. How you get hacked on Robinhood? Might have to look into that. That might be something to contact customer service about, honestly. Everything is red because we had a strong uproar unexpectedly yesterday. I definitely it'll probably come back up, honestly. Courier here and Uber in the evening. When I was in Colorado Springs, I would go crazy doing Uber Eats. Or at least during COVID, it was like, I was getting paid. Especially like if it rained or snowed, like the worse the conditions were, people were paying money because they did not want to get that stuff. I did pallets for a little while, but they're kind of expensive. Oh, like buying the pallets? I could see that. Before day trading, I would need space for the pallets. Like, I think whenever I get more space and like maybe when I get a home too. Y'all, my channel, like I'm on stocks and stuff right now, but believe me, y'all will eventually see like all these hustles and all these different ways to make money on my channel as well. Like I want to like display that stuff and help everyone else find something that's right to them for them as well. But and I actually find like doing other things fun as well. I feel like trading would be a lot harder if I didn't have y'all around. Yeah. Before day trading, I worked 80 hours plus per week and never got to. Oh yeah, that's tough. Cause I was always gone or sleeping. Decided something needs to change. Nice. Hey. Uh, I have no thoughts on the Euro USD. I don't. I am not knowledgeable in that area. So I can't even say the way it moves. I always got like whenever I try to trade Euro USD, I got whopped. So I cannot really say much there. Yeah, I have no idea. All right, so Tesla's coming down. Nvidia kind of holding up though. God is good 100%, and it's been working out. My HUD is terrible too. My charts are a mess, but I assumed it was because I'm in Vietnam for today. It's still showing yes. That's wild. That's kind of wild. Maybe there's some sort of Robinhood scam going on because I don't know what's up with that, y'all. Thinking on jumping on an Uber call. So glad I came to your channel this morning. I'm new to this. TradingView is just the site I need to watch the stocks all day. Hey, I'm glad you're taking some value away from this. Retrace back to 68. What goes up must come down. I think this year is a great time to day trade, mostly get in and get out. I'm trying to like scoop stocks up whenever I see them come down. But yeah, day trading, I like to swing, and I love like whenever I see profit in the morning from my swings, it's like, yo, let me get that. But it's like usually the stuff like actually during the day I have a little bit of a harder time with. COVID was a gift. I mean, if you were aware, like if you were wise, if you had been through and seen some things, yes it was. There was so much money I coughed up during COVID. Like I bought some things at some incredible levels, but I coughed them up way, way, way too cheap. I put them in my living room. Oh yeah, I still like I don't even have room like that in my living room. I was a Grab delivery driver for a while, but got fired. You can get fired from jobs like that? Interesting. Oh, not speaking Vietnamese was a real problem, and the app translator was not accurate. Not many. Okay, I got you. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, when I was in Portugal, honestly, most of the drivers spoke English, but there would be times that they didn't. So I don't even know. Hey, but yeah, it's good to see we got some hustlers in the family. Cause it's like after this, luckily I already got my workout in today, so I don't need to work out again. But yeah, I'm glad to see we got some hustlers in the family. People really trying to change their life situation. Cause yo, I'm in here trying to buy my family's freedom. That's what we do. All right, let's see. I suspect it's the time zone difference, but I use a VPN in USA at midnight. Here, my HUD account changes to. Interesting. That's weird. COVID gig work and chauffeur. 100%. Yeah. IWM finding support. Yeah, it looks like we might be. So NVIDIA technically on the 10-minute, it's like we got a structure change to the upside on the 10-minute because we got a low, we got a high, we got a higher low, and then we just put in a higher high. So we could be trending up. Dang, do I need anything from the store? I feel like I do, but I can't think of it. My wife just asked. IWM here. Yeah, let's actually. I don't even have IWM pulled up. Let's see. No, so IWM as of right now. Here, let's go to a 10 actually. So right here, IWM, we got a low, we got a high, we got a lower low, but we have a higher high. So yeah, potentially, yeah, if we put in a higher low right here, yeah, IWM could be headed back up. Yeah, might be on to something there. Exactly. Let me get, that is what the game is. Take notes, people. Hold your place. The line. Julian Center is red. Nvidia is touching 143. Got a sell long position contract on Tesla. Hopefully I make profits yesterday or today. So Tesla, here, let's see. Yeah, I would not be surprised to see Tesla back at this 391 level, if I'm being honest. It'll come to you after she gets back. Yeah, and then I'll have to go out and get it myself. I think there was a solid like 6-week period where I didn't go to the grocery store. And then I went back to the grocery store. I was like, yo, why did I used to do this? Like, I had gotten so used to her just going. Between me either ordering stuff like on Amazon and then, or her getting it for me. Oh, I need to respond to her. Hold on, y'all. I need to do a quick check. Hold on 1 second, y'all. Definitely feel like I need something. All right, y'all. Yeah, I couldn't think of anything I needed, but I'm going to get off. So yeah, that's going to be it for the day. Y'all stay blessed. Have a good day. I would say kind of like going ahead, looking at your trades. Make sure you get that change of market structure. Make sure that you get confirmation. Like look at your support and resistance levels. Make sure you get breaks. Don't just like FOMO into a trade, because as of right now, I would say we're still kind of bearish. So let's actually, on the 10, Nvidia got the structure change, but actually on the 15, we're still consolidating. So maybe wait. The only thing that looks the clearest here, actually, if we look at Tesla, we can probably draw a trend line on Tesla. Let's see. Like that. So yeah, Tesla is probably coming down. We might be able to, here, let's try to move this on the Qs. Let's see. Got something right there on the Qs. SPY might, oh, let's I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, anyways, y'all have a blessed day. Hope the trades, hope y'all are able to scoop some things up at some good prices. And yeah. Peace out, Lucky J. Peace out, My Life Be Like. Peace out, Henry. Oh yeah, be sure to hit the like button. Peace out, Skittles. Big time. Fubo is something I've been invested in since like 130, 150. So it's from here, I think there will be a pullback before it goes up higher. So right here, I wouldn't FOMO into it personally. It could go higher. but I think it'll come lower at some point too, so there'll be a better buying opportunity. But yeah, once again, last time, have a blessed day. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace.